Have you ever used titles with other players? First, bring up the command prompt and type title. Then you need to say who the title is going to be seen by. We're going to say all players, A. Then we are going to write title again, and then we're going to put down what the title is going to say. So I'm going to put time is almost up. Hit return. Look what comes up on the screen. Time is almost up. Let's do it one more time just to make sure you know how to do it. Get the command prompt, title, at which players, all players again, title, and what I wanted to say, lunchtime. See how this looks? Beautiful. And that's how you use titles with other players. Thanks for watching, and if you hit the subscribe button, you'll get more videos about Minecraft.